Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today is my birthday and all I want is cookies, so we're making this giant eggless chocolate chip cookie cake. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Add 113 grams of softened butter, 170 grams of light brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and there are no chunks of butter. Add a quarter cup of coconut milk or cow's milk, either will work, 255 grams of all-purpose flour, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda and salt. Mix together until a cookie dough forms. Last, add in 198 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and mix to combine completely. Line an 8-inch cake pan with parchment paper and then transfer the cookie dough and press it into the pan, ensuring that it's evenly spread out. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges look golden brown. The best thing about this eggless chocolate chip cookie cake is if you like really gooey cookies, you can underbake this without any worry. Once the cake is done, let it cool just enough to remove it from the pan. In a heat-proof bowl, add in 85 grams of mini dark chocolate chips and melt in the microwave doing 30-second intervals, stirring between each one to prevent burning. Drizzle the melted chocolate over the top of the cookie cake. And I like to finish it off with a sprinkle of flaky sea salt because you know I'm obsessed with sweet and salty cookies. Cut this cookie cake into 8 slices and it's ready to enjoy. You can even add a scoop of ice cream on top if you want. This eggless chocolate chip cookie cake is soft and chewy and it tastes just like your favorite chocolate chip cookies, but even better with the addition of added chocolate and flaky sea salt. Thanks for joining me for my birthday dessert today. If you want more organic cookie recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.